Do you remember those lazy afternoons sitting on the couch with a hot cheddar cheese toast, watching your favorite cartoon?
Kraft presents Cheesy and Odie.
Mr. Kraft cheese slices.
Or the times you sneak cheese slices from the fridge, imagining yourself as the main character in a classic heist. Today we'll turn back time to those childhood memories and begin a journey to explore the cheddar cheese production process at a modern factory, where culinary magic truly happens. Subscribe now and join Captain Discovery's journey. Before we step into the factory, let's talk a bit about the origin of cheddar cheese. This cheese originated in the village of Cheddar in Somerset, England, in the 12th century. It is said that in a cave in Cheddar Gorge, a girl accidentally left a tub of milk that later turned into cheese. The special environment of the cave created ideal conditions for the cheese to mature, and thus, cheddar was born. Cheddar cheese ranges in color from ivory white to bright orange, often colored with annatto to give it its distinctive hue. The flavor of cheddar can vary from mild and creamy when young, to sharp, robust, and slightly crumbly when aged. A key characteristic of cheddar is its firm texture and ease of melting, making it a perfect choice for dishes like grilled cheese sandwiches, macaroni and cheese, and many others. In the 19th century, thanks to the development of transportation and trade, cheddar cheese was exported to many countries, including the United States. In America, cheddar quickly became popular and transformed to suit the tastes and demands of American consumers. American cheddar, with its deep yellow color and distinctive flavor, has become an indispensable part of American cuisine. Imagine the grilled cheese sandwiches your mom used to make for lunch, or your grandma's macaroni and cheese, all marked by the presence of cheddar. What's your favorite cheddar cheese brand? Kraft, Tilamook, or Sargento? Share in the comments below. Cheddar cheese appears in every family meal, but the journey from the farm to our table is far from simple. When you step through the large gates of the Cheddar Cheese Factory, you're not just entering a building, but a world of flavors. Don't be surprised if you feel like you're in a vibrant, lively cartoon. Let's start with pasteurization. The milk is heated to a temperature that makes harmful bacteria scream and run away, but it keeps all the necessary nutrients intact. After the milk is heated and cleaned, we add a secret enzyme, rennet. This is when the milk transforms into a soft gel-like form. It's like magic, but without the wand. Imagine you're a wizard. Just raise your hand and boom! The milk turns into a solid mass. At this point, the curd mass will be cut into smaller pieces called curds. This part is like the factory workers who are professional chefs on a reality TV show, cutting and stirring to remove excess water, also known as whey. They have to stir constantly, as if they're dancing with the curds to create the perfect texture. Now the curds will be cooked and stirred again. Imagine the delightful aroma of cheddar cheese starting to spread throughout the factory, stimulating all your senses. This crucial step helps the cheese achieve a smooth texture and rich flavor. The cheddaring process is the secret that makes cheddar cheese unique. The curds are stacked, cut into large pieces, and turned over many times. Imagine you're playing with cheese pieces, and each flip brings you closer to culinary heaven. After cheddaring, the cheese is milled and mixed with salt. This is where things get more interesting. Salt not only helps with preservation, but also creates the characteristic flavor. Think of salt as the VIP guest at the cheese party, essential but not overwhelming. Now the cheddar cheese will be pressed into firm blocks and placed into molds. Then these blocks will be aged in dark, cold cellars. Imagine the cheese as a hero in a movie, needing time to develop and perfect its strength. The aging process can last from a few months to several years, resulting in a cheddar cheese with a robust flavor and perfect texture. After months of waiting, the cheddar cheese blocks are ready to be cut and packaged. When you cut a piece of cheddar cheese, you'll see the golden color and smell the rich aroma. This is the result of a fascinating and meticulous journey. Cheddar cheese is often processed and sold in various forms to suit different culinary purposes. Two of the most popular forms are slices. Cheddar cheese is cut into thin slices, convenient for use in sandwiches, burgers, and other quick meals. Slices make it easy to add cheese to dishes without having to cut or prepare it further. Shredded. Cheddar cheese is also often shredded, suitable for sprinkling on dishes like pizza, salads, pasta, and baked dishes. Shredded cheese melts more evenly on the surface of the dish, creating a rich flavor and an appealing texture. In addition to these forms, cheddar cheese can be sold in blocks or sticks for consumers to cut or shred as they like. This allows chefs and home cooks to create various dishes with cheddar cheese. Americans consume about 10 pounds of cheddar cheese each year. Amazing! This also poses challenges for producers in terms of environmental protection. Cheddar cheese producers adopt measures such as using renewable energy sources, managing waste efficiently, and implementing sustainable programs to minimize negative impacts on the environment. Thank you for joining us in exploring the production process of cheddar cheese. Enjoy exploring factory production with us? Like, share, and subscribe to Captain Discovery for more fascinating insights into manufacturing.